Hello friends, welcome to ETKA Master. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we will be learning some math tricks and tips and tricks. We'll be learning tables from 1 to 10 real fast. Before we go into the video, I would request all of my viewers to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all the latest upfront. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about writing the tables and memorizing it fast 1 to 10. Here you can see on the screen the tables 1 to 10. We'll be learning one by one table from 1 to right from 1 to 10. The easy way to learn and write it. Before we start on to the detail, we have to keep one thing in mind that in mathematics 1 to 10 is the basis of all the multiplication in maths. So at least for 1 to 10 I would request all of you guys to learn and memorize it so that whenever it is required you can quickly apply it and get going. First we will try to understand the term place value. Place value in mathematics is the value of a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. To understand this in a better way, let's take an example. I have written 13,548. In 13,548, the place value of 1 is 10,000. The place value of 3 is 3,000. The place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 4 is 40. And place value of 8 is unit or 1. And it is said to be 8 only. So with this thing as the basic, we will be learning our remaining part. So let's go to the. Let's try to write table 1. The output table will be like this. It will be represented as 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, and so on. So if we want to write the table of 1 quickly, actually there is no special tip or trick required for table learning and writing table 1, because it is the easiest one, you can say. Still, we will put it on the paper. We will write all the ones. Then we will put all the multiplication symbols in a vertical manner. Then we will put 0 to 10. Now why not directly 1 and 0? To make this simple, I have added 0. As we move on, you will come to know why 0 has been added. It will clarify most of the things. So let's get going. Put all the equal symbols, and now the output. For the table 1, the output will be the output. This is whatever output I am saying here, it is at the 10th place of the in place value. So this will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and at the end it is 1. If you see here, I have put occurrence. Occurrence of the 0 is 10 times. And one more thing to add, you guys, that in the multiplication part, the answer will be either starting from 0 to 9 letters only. There cannot be any other letters. So it will go on in the increasing manner only. 0, 1, 2, 3. And even in the unit place, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So now if you see, the 0 has occurred 10 times. And when the next letter to 0 is 1, and 1 will occur 9 times. Then 2 will occur 9 times. This is what the occurrence 10, 9, 9 means. So it will keep on repeating. Now we will go to the unit place of the number. The unit place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going in a sequence. And 0 to 9 is going to repeat again. So when we go 1 into 11, the answer will be 11. So we can see that the 1 is repeating, occurring again, and here 1 is going to repeat. So the answer is 11. So this is how to easily write the table of 1 in a logical manner. Okay. So next, now move to table of 2. Table of 2, the output will be like this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and so on. Let it write down in a logical manner. Put all the 2's, multiplication symbol, numbers 1 to 10, 0 to 10, put the equal symbols, and then the 10th place. The place value at the 10th will be having this sequence. In this case, the occurrence is 5, 5, means any digit in this number will repeat for 5 times. So 0 is occurring again 5 times, 1 is occurring again 5 times, again similarly 2 will occur again 5 times. And in the unit place, you will have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and this will repeat again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 will repeat again, and it keep on repeating if we go along the sequence. 11, 12, it will go on. So for example, for 2 multiplied by 11 is equal to 2 will be repeating. So again, and 0 after 0 we have 2. So 22, the answer is 22. So this is how easy it is. You guys can quickly write the table of 2 in no time. Next we'll go to table of 3. What's it? Table of 3 has to be memorized. Friends, I don't or I haven't come across any trick for table number 3. So if you guys have came across trick for table number 3, so you can mention in the comment section so that others can refer and use it. Next, table number 4. The output will be like this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and so on. And we will write this in a proper logical manner. 4, put all the 4's, put all the multiplication symbols. 0 to 10 in a sequence, equal to symbol, and the 10th place value will have these numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So here if you see, the occurrence is 3 times the number will occur, and the next number will occur only 2 times. So 3, 2, 3, 2 in the sequence it will go. So and the unit place numbers will be like this. In this case, the repetition is 0, 4, 8, 2, 6. Again it will be 0, 4, 8, 2, 6, and so on. So for example, if I want to multiply 4 by 11, 4 into 11, so 4 11s are 44. So 4 is repeating second time, and after 0 you can see 4, so 4 will come here again. So the answer will be 4 into 11 is equal to 44. That's it. It is that simple. table number 5. Table number 5, the output is like this: 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and so on. We will put it in a logical way. Numbers equal to symbol and 0 0 1 1 2 2. Here the occurrence is 2 times. 0 will occur 2, 1 will occur 2, 2 will occur 3, and so on. And the unit place will be 0 5 0 5 0 5. Here in table number 5, either you will get the output unit place as 0 or 5 based on the multiplication factor. So if you are writing from the top, 0 5 0 5 is going to repeat, and 0 0 1 1 2 2 is going to repeat. So if we take an example of 5 11s are, so as per our occurrence section, 5 has to repeat again, so it will be 5. And as per our repetition fact, it is 0 ahead of it, so it will be 5. So 55 is the answer. And let's go for table number 6. Output is like that: 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, and so on. Let's put it in a logical manner. 6 multiplication symbol, 0 to 10 equal to symbol, and in the in the 10th place, it will be 0 0 1 1 2. Here you can see occurrence is 2 2 1. So any digit will occur twice: 0 0, second time 1 1, and third it will be repeating 1. It will not repeat, it will occur once only. So 2 again, 3 3 4 4 5. So the unit place will have 0 6 2 8 4. Again it will repeat 0 6 2 8 4. So as an example, 6 into 11 is equal to 6 is going to repeat again because 5 is 1, so 6 has to repeat. 6 will come here, and in the unit place after 0, 6 has to come, so 66. 66 is the answer, and it is correct. Table number 7. Oops, again. Table number 7 has to be memorized. There is no shortcut or technique for table number 7. So let's move on to table number. Output value: 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, so on. Let's put it up. 8, put all the 8s down, put all the multiplication symbol quickly, so this will happen fast. 0 1 2 3 to 10, put all the equal symbol, and in the 10th place you will get 0 0 1 2 3 4 4. So here it's a different phenomenon. 2 times occurrence will be there, then 1 1 1, and again 2. So 0 has occurred twice, 1 2 3, then 4 has occurred twice, 5 6 7, then 8 will also repeat. So the unit place value will be 08642, which will be repeating again, 08642. You remember we have been talking about table number 2, table number 4, table number 6, and table number 8. There is a similar pattern. These 5 numbers are repeating again and again in the same sequence. So for as an example, 8 into 11 is equal to 5 6 7 has come 8, so 8 has to repeat, so 8 will come in the 10th place, and in the unit place 0 after 0 8 has started, so 88. We got the answer 11. 8 into 11 is equal to 88. So it is going to take the same method as we move on. Table number 9. Here is the table output. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, and so on. Let's put it up. All the 9, all the multiplication symbol, 0 to 10 equal to symbol, and in the 10th place we got 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here is altogether a different scenario than other tables. You have a different output here. You can see only 0 has occurred twice. Rest all it is going to be the sequence of numbers flowing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so what's in the unit place? In the unit place, it is again surprise that 0 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So 9 minus 1 8 minus 1 7 minus 1 6 minus 1 5 minus 1 4. So it's going in a descending order, and in the 10th place it is going in ascending order. So as an example, if we take 9 into 11 is equal to 99. The answer is 99. So if you put the same logic, it is going to give you the output of 99. So 0, you can see how I will tell you 0, after 0 9 has come. So in the 9 it is going to repeat as 9. So 99 is the answer for 9 into 11 is equal to 99. Let's go to the table 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. Putting it in a logical way, 10 multiplication symbols 0 to 10 equal to, and in the 10th place we got 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and in the unit place you got all zeros. So this is the speciality of table number 10. At the unit place you will get all 0, and in the 10th place you will get all in a sequence. So here for example, let's multiply 10 into 11 is equal to 0 will be the last digit in the unit place, and when we multiply the next number will be here in the sequence 9 10 11. So 11 0 1 1 0 is the answer of 10 into 11 is equal to 110. So this is how, guys, we have covered all the table of all the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's summarize the things what we learned in today's video. In today's video we learned 1 to 10 numbers tables need to be memorized perfectly. Second, 3 and 7 tips and trick does not exist and it has to be memorized. Third, for table number 2, 4, 6 and 8, the logical summary is as below. For 2, if you want to remember 2, you have to remember this logic. 2, in the unit place this sequence will repeat 0 2 4 6 8, and in the for table number 4 it will repeat as 0 4 8 2 6, and for table number 6 it will be 0 6 2 8 4, and in the table number 8 it will be 0 8 6 4 2. Here if you see, for first number is 0 and second number is the table which we represent. So 0 2 0 4 0 6 0 8. So you can remember, try to remember the way you like it, put it in the format and you can learn the table. Finally, guys, like and share this video so that it reach many of you guys and they can get benefited, whoever in need of this video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned until the other video. Thank you. Bye.